Meaning of exegesis.
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 Exegesis. Exegesis is a critical interpretation or analysis of a text, particularly a religious text. It involves examining the original language, historical context, and literary structure of the text to extract its intended meaning. Exegesis is used in various fields such as theology, literature, and law, to gain deeper insight into the underlying message of a text. The goal of exegesis is to provide an accurate and comprehensive understanding of the text's meaning, which can be applied to further study and practical application.